Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to explain how payment methods and payment terminals works in Odoo 19 POS module. So instead of using only cash or card, I'll show you this using a real life business example, which is delivery partner payments. And I'll also explain how payment terminals like Stripe or Razorpay fits into this workflow as well. So let's assume this is a restaurant POS. So there we have a restaurant POS. So customer places orders in two ways. So first one is actually through the delivery apps like Swiggy or Zomato, you know that. Or directly at the customer counter using the card machines. So Odoo POS support both scenarios using the payment methods and the payment terminals. So let me explain what actually mean by the payment methods and how you can simplify the payment methods inside the Odoo 19 POS module. So first of all, payment method is in POS defines actually how a sales is recorded in your system. Okay, so it tells Odoo that where the money should be tracked and whether the cash is received now or later. So to identify or to understand the payment methods in POS module, let's head over to the configuration, and there we have the payment methods, and there you can find several payment methods that have been created. Okay, for creating a new payment method, there we have a new button. Just click on there and you can simply add a new payment method. So there we have different kind of payment method, which is cash, card, customer accounts and everything. And here we are going to create delivery partner. So let me create it. So once I'm done with that, there we have online payment, which means use this payment method for online payments made on a web page with online payment providers. Okay. So you can use, if this is an online payment, you can provide them or identify the customer, which means forces to set a customer when using this payment method and splits the journal entries for each customer. It could slow down the closing process as well. So here I'm clicking on there and I want to add a journal, which means a bank. Okay. And there we have the outstanding account and there we have the company and you can choose a point of sales. So here I'm choosing it as a restaurant. And there we have the integration. So if you want to integrate this with any of the terminals that have been provided inside Odoo POS module, you can use the terminal. Okay, so I'll show you that in later. So first of all, let's create a payment method. So once I'm created the payment method, we need to use this inside our POS session. So let's head over to the configuration under the settings. So there we have already selected the point of sale, which is restaurant, and moving on to the payments, there you can find card, customer account, cash and delivery partners is also available and it's validated. So if you are, if this is not validated, you can simply click on them and you can add it. Okay. So this payment method is used when the customer pays a third party and we receive the money later. So let's head over to the dashboard and let's open the restaurant. And now let's continue the selling. Okay. Okay. Now let's create a new order. So here so let's add a bacon burger. And I'm going to add a Coca-Cola as well. Okay. So here I'm added 2 products. And moving on to the payment session, there you can find it. Let's create a payment. Okay. We need to add the customer as well. So here I'm adding the customer, which is Abigail Peterson. So once I'm adding the customer, there you can find the delivery partner payment method that we have been created. So just click on there and once you're clicking, let's validate it. Okay. So if you're validating that, you can see the receipt and the payment method is shown under the receipt, which is delivery partner. So that's how simply you can use the payment method and you can create them inside the POS module of Odoo 19. So what happens in the background? POS order is marked as paid. You can see it. Okay. And cash drawer remains unchanged and the amount is recorded in the delivery partner journal, and as well as accounting knows money will be received later from the partner as well. So this keeps sales and reports accurate. So once you're done with that, let's move to new orders and we need to close the register. So let me close the register. Let me close it. So here we are at the dashboard and now let's move to the configuration and let's head over to the settings. Okay, so once you are there, once we scroll down there, you can find the terminals. Okay, so here it is, the terminals. So let me explain you what are the payment terminals. So the payment terminals are used when the customer pay using card or digital payment machines, okay, or Odoo communicates directly with the payment providers as well. So here you can see under Odoo 19 POS module, we have different terminals, which is we have Stripe, Adyen, Razorpay, Pine Labs, and Viva.com. There we have different kind of things. Okay, so here I'm already enabled the Stripes and Razorpay. So you should understand one thing, because payment terminals cannot be tested in demo databases. So they required actually a real merchant accounts. So or a physical device, or we can say a terminal series number as well. So here I don't have such kind of things like that. So if you guys have, you can simply enable this. So in this video, here I'm going to explain how the workflow of terminals while you're using inside a payment method. So we'll not execute a real terminal payment, and we'll understand how the setup and workflows. Okay, so once you enable this, you can simply save it. And once you save it, let's head over to the payment methods. And under the payment method, there we have the card. So you all know that under the card, you can simply add any kind of terminals, because the terminals are using through this kind of payment methods. Okay, so you can simply add from here itself, like you can integrate with the terminal, and you can use any of the terminal which have been set up inside our Odoo 19 POS module. And once you are using that, your particular cash payment method is linked to a terminal, and Odoo sends an amount automatically, and customer completes the payment on the device, and also the POS receive confirmation instantly. So you can use them like this, and you can use this inside a POS orders, and customer can easily use the terminal. Okay, so now everything is fine and you can use them. So okay, there we have an outstanding account. So let me provide an outstanding account. Okay, so once you're done with that, you can save this. And if I'm using, let me show you one example. If I'm using it as Stripe, I need to provide the Stripe serial number, but here I don't have a Stripe serial number. So if you have an activate Stripe, you can simply use that serial number inside this. Okay, so that's how simply you can use the payment method and as well as the terminals inside Odoo 19 POS module. So thanks for watching. In the next video, I'll show you how delivery, partner settlements, and accounting reconciliation workflow in Odoo. So I hope you all understood this. So if you like this video, please do subscribe, share with your friends. I'll be back with another video. Till that, bye-bye.